So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the selfie mirror effect on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So whenever you open your camera app and you want to take a selfie, you'll normally see this preview here on your screen. So when you tap on the shutter button to take the image, you'll notice that sometimes your selfie is mirrored. So as you can see previously, my recording items were on the right hand side, but once I've taken the selfie photo, they've moved to the left. So if you want to stop that from happening, so you want to stop the mirroring feature happening, then all you need to do is just navigate to the settings menu, and then in your camera settings, look for Save Selfie as Previewed. Tap on the toggle next to it to turn it on, and now you'll notice that whenever you go to take a selfie image on your phone, exactly how you're seeing it in the preview is how it's going to turn out in the image. So as you can see, everything has stayed on the right hand side. However, if you want to disable the Save Selfie as Previewed so that the selfie images are mirrored, then just navigate back to your camera settings, look for Save Selfie as Previewed, and tap on the toggle next to it to turn it off. Once it's been turned off, now whenever you take your selfie images, your end result will be a mirrored photo. And so that's how you can enable or disable this feature on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.